Welcome to our informative video on how to safely use a scroll saw. Scroll saws are used to cut materials such as wood or acrylic. Remember to remove loose clothing. Always remember to put on your safety goggles.
Make sure the scroll saw is clear before you start cutting.
This is the on button, press to start, and this is the off button, press to stop. This is the speed dial. Turn right to increase speed, turn left to decrease speed.
Always hold your material firmly, or else
it will come flying into your face. Ah! Good. Always remember to keep the guard down, otherwise...
Ah! If the blade breaks, that's okay, it happens. Here is how you remove it. Always remember to unplug the scroll saw from the wall. Twist this knob to release the blade's tension. Push the scroll saw's arm down and slip the blade out. Remove the blade from the bottom of the machine. First, insert the blade back into the bottom of the machine. Push the arm down and slip the blade into the arm. Now tighten the blade using the blade tension knob.
Now you're all ready to start using a scroll saw. Thanks for watching!